Welcome to the EdbMails Outlook PST Recovery and Export, a step-by-step guide. Struggling with damaged or inaccessible PST files? EdbMails Outlook PST Repair Tool offers an all-in-one solution for recovering corrupt, encrypted, or password-protected PST files across all Outlook versions. Using advanced algorithms, EdbMails ensures accurate recovery, bringing your essential mailbox data back to life. With EdbMails, it is easy to split large PST files into smaller, manageable parts during export operation, reducing the risk of future corruption and enhancing Outlook performance. You can recover emails, contacts, calendars, and more, and export your data to a new PST file or migrate directly to Office 365 or Exchange Server. Experience fast, secure, and efficient PST recovery and conversion with EdbMails. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to recover and export offline PST files using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Outlook PST Recovery, PST to Office 365, PST to Exchange option.
Click Let's Go.
Click Browse for PST. Select the PST file. Click Open.
Click Continue.
Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the item. Select the folder that you wish to export. For Outlook PST Recovery and Export, ensure Outlook is installed on your computer with a profile. Click Export to Outlook PST. You can apply filters for folders and items. You can export only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders.
Click Save.
If you want to split the PST files, enable this option and set the required size.
Click Continue.
Give a name for export job.
Click Continue.
Select the location to store the exported data. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Log button to get the export operation report. Now launch the Outlook application. Click File. Click Open and Export. Click Open Outlook Data File. Now open the PST file. Verify the exported items. That's it. For a hassle-free Outlook PST recovery and export, visit edbmails.com today.